Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to treat the accounting treatment of goodwill in case of admission of a new partner, and we are going to solve the questions from question number 19 to question number 30. Okay, so let us start. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They take C as a partner for 1/5 share. Goodwill account appear in the books of at 15,000. For this purpose of C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 15,000. C is to pay proportionate amount of premium for goodwill which he pays to A and B privately. Pass necessary entry. Here you should remember the things that I have already told you in my previous video, that whenever the goodwill is privately given to the partners, that means there is no entry we are going to pass for that. Okay, and the books goodwill, that the goodwill appear in the books is 15,000. For that we are going to pass the entry. Okay, so let us start. Question number 19. Date, originals, laser folio, credit rupees, entries. Okay, now the entry for goodwill will be partners capital account or current account debit to goodwill. Okay, so here partners are A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, to goodwill account. This goodwill has been written off between the partners 15,000. 2:1, that means it will be 10,000, 5,000. Okay, B, goodwill written off. Okay, so this is the entry for question number 19. Now we move to question number 20. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:5. That with C on the condition that he will bring 14,000 as his share of goodwill to be distributed between A and B. C's share in future profit or loss will be 1/4. What will be the new profit sharing ratio and what amount of goodwill bought in by C will be received by A and B. So let us start. Question number 20. First we are going to find out the new PSR and the sacrificing ratio, because the goodwill which the new partner is going to bring will be distributed between the partners in their sacrificing ratio. So let us start. AB are the partners in 2:5. C is admitting for 1/4 share. Okay, now it is not said that in which ratio from whom C is going to take his share. In such a case, he is going to take from the firm. So let the firm's profit be 1. Okay, therefore remaining share equals to 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. New PSR A, B, C 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 4 into 2 by 7 into 5 by 7. So it is going to be 6 by 7 4 are 28, 15 by 28, and to make it 28, 7 by 28. So the new PSR is 6 is to 15 is to 7. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So A, B, 2 by 7, 5 by 7. We are going to derive the new ratio, that is 6 by 28 and 15 by 28. Here it will be 28. 7 4s are 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 6 by 28. Here it is going to be 28. 5 4s are 20. 15. 5 by 28. If you see the things again, the sacrificing ratio is same. So sacrificing ratio equals to 2:5. It is same as old ratio. Now we move to entries. Okay, let us start entries. Let us prepare the format of the entry. Sorry, it will be entries particular. And there is a formula. Damages, particulars. First entry, he bought the amount of goodwill in cash, that is 14,000. Okay, so we are going to have cash or bank account debit. Okay, 2 premium for goodwill. That is 14,000. Okay. Mean new partner brings his share of money. Okay. Now we are going to distribute this 14,000 in sacrificing ratio, that is 2:5. Okay, so minimum for goodwill account debit. To A's capital account to B's capital account. Okay. The 14,000 amount is to be distributed in 2:5, that is 4,000 and 10,000. Okay. B, PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Always keep in mind with this sacrificing ratio. This is the end of question number 20. 21. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. A new partner C is admitted. A surrenders 1/5 of his share and B surrenders 2/5 of his share in favor of C. For this purpose, C's admission, goodwill of the firm is valued at 75,000 and C brings in his share of goodwill in cash, which he retains in the books of firm's books, generalize the above transaction. It is very easy actually. First we have to calculate the new PSR. So let us calculate. AB, the ratio given is 3:2. C items, we don't know the ratio. A surrenders 1/5 of his share. So 1/5 of his share, that will be 3/5, 3/25. Whereas B surrenders 2/5 of his share. So 2/5 of 2/5, that will be 4/25. Okay. Therefore, the new PSR will be A, B, C. 3/5, 2/5 minus 3/25 minus 4/25. So it is going to be 25. 5 3s are 15 minus 3, 12/25. Here also 25. 5 2s are 10 minus 4, 6/25, and it is going to be 3/25 plus 4/25, that is 7/25. So 12 to 6 is to 7. Okay, it is going to be 25 new PSR. We got it already. 12 is to 6 is to 7. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio also, because we have to distribute goodwill in sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, A, B. The old ratio is 3/5, 2/5. The new ratio is 12/25, 6/25. So it is going to be 25. 5 3 are 15 minus 12 equals to 3/25. Here it is 25. 5 to the 10 minus 6, 4/25. Okay, so sacrificing ratio is 3:4. Before moving forward, we have to calculate C's share of goodwill, as firm's goodwill is given. Okay, the firm's goodwill was given to us is 75,000. So C's share will be of goodwill, that is EFG, is going to be 75,000 into his share. So share is 7/25. Okay, 25 3s are 75, 3 7 are 21,000. So he is going to bring 21,000 as the amount of premium for goodwill. Now we are going to pass the entry for the same. Okay, so let us pass the entries. Date, particular, laser for you, negatives, particulars, the matrix, first entry. Now, new partner is bringing his share of goodwill in cash, therefore cash account debit. 2, premium for goodwill account. The amount was 21,000. Being premium for goodwill bought in cash. Okay. Second, now this amount of premium for goodwill is going to be distributed in the sacrificing ratio, that is 3:4. Okay. So premium for goodwill account debit 2. Now the capitals are not fixed, that's why it is going to be capital account only. So A is capital account, 2 B is capital account, and it is said the goodwill is retained in the books. That means we are not going to withdraw the amount. Okay, so the entry will be, both the entries will be passed. 3, 4, that will be 7, 7, 3 is 21, 3, 3 is 9, and 3, 4 is 12. Being premium for goodwill distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, these are the entries. Now we are going to move to the next question. Question number 22. There are two parts. Give journal entries to record the following arrangement in the books of the firm. First, B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. D is admitted paying a premium, that is goodwill, of 2000 for 1/4 share of the profit. Share of B and C remains as before. Okay, so let us start. Question number 22, part A. B is to C, 3:2. B is admitted in the firm for 1/4 share. Okay. Now it is not stated from whom B is going to have his share, and it is said that B and C will retain their share as it is. Okay, their share will remain as before. Okay, so in such a case, the old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. The old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. Okay, because D is taking from the firm. Okay, so let us pass the entry. Date, particulars, ledger for you, debitories, creditories, and entries. First, 2000 rupees he is bringing for his share of goodwill. So the entry will be cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. Okay, the amount is 2000. B, new partner brings in share of goodwill. Okay. Second will be, now this PFG we are going to distribute in the sacrificing ratio, that is old ratio. Okay, so premium for goodwill account debit to B's to C's capital account. The amount 2000 will be distributed in 3:2, 5, 5 4s are 20, 4 3s are 12. So 1200, 800 being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. In sacrificing ratio. Okay. This is the end of part A. Now we move to part B. 22B. B and C are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. B is admitted paying a premium of 2100 for 1/4 share of profit, which he acquires 1/6 from B and 1/12 from C. Okay, so case B. B and C are partners in 3:2. C D is entered for 1/4 share, which he acquires from B and C. He acquires 1/4 share. He acquires 1/6 from B, 1/6 from B, and 1/12 from C. Okay. Now, if you see the things, the LCM of both the things will be 12. Okay. So it will be 2 plus 1, 3/12. That is 1/4. So now that means 2/12 and 1/12 is the sacrificing ratio. Okay, is the sacrificing ratio. It is not told us to find out the new PSR and sacrificing ratio. In such a case, we can directly do the things because already we have explained. I have explained you how to calculate the sacrificing ratio directly. Okay, in my previous video. So this is the ratio 2:1 is our sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio I have already calculated is 2:1. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry. Okay. So I am going to rub this. Now we are going to pass the entry. Date, particular, let the full debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries. Okay, first entry, cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. $2100. Okay, being new partner brings his share of goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to distribute this premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio. So premium for goodwill account debit to B's capital account to C's capital account. This is 2100. We are going to distribute into 3, 3, 7 the 7 to the 14, 7 on the 7 being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now this is the end of the question number 22. We move to question number 23. Question number 23. B and C are partners sharing profits in lawsuits in 3:1. They admitted D into the firm. D pays premium of 15,000 for 1/3 share of profits as between themselves B and C agree to share future profits and losses equally. Draft journal entry showing appropriations of the premium money. So first we have to find out the new PSR, because now the future ratio, that is the new ratio of B and C, is given, that is equal. So they are changing their ratio. In such a case we have to find out the new PSR and the sacrificing ratio. Okay, so let us start. Question number 23. B and C are partners at 3:1. That will be D is entered for 1/3 share. Now B and C decided equal, that is future ratio. Okay, they are going to share in future in 1:1. So we are going to find out the new PSR first. Okay, now D is taking from the firm, so let the firm's profit be B1, remaining share minus 1/3, that is 2/3. Therefore new PSR will be B, C, D. 2/3 we are going to distribute equally, that is 1/2. 1/2, so it is going to be 2/6, 2/6, and it is 1/3. To make it 6, we are going to multiply with 2, so it is going to be 2/6. So new PSR will be 2:2:2, that is 1:1:1, that is equal. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, B and C. B, old ratio was 3/4, 1/4, and the new ratio is 1/3, 1/3. LCM will be 12. 3 3 is 9 minus 4, 5/12. 12, 3, minus 4, so it is going to be minus 1/12. This is gain actually, he is not sacrificing, only B is sacrificing. Now this question is very important. Okay, C is gaining. Now how to check whether this is going to be fine? If you see, D is having the share 1/3. Okay, to make it 12, I have to multiply with 4, so it is 4/12. This is also gain. New partner is always gaining. This is new partner. Okay, so 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now we are going to find out the amount, and then we are going to pass the entries for the same. So amount bought by D for his share 1/3, that is 4/12. He bought the amount that is equals to 15,000. Okay, 15,000. And same way C is also going to bring, because he is gaining, he has to bring for 1/12. I don't know, I am going to assume it as X. Okay, so that is find out the amount of C. So we are going to cross multiply 1/3 into X equals to 15,000 into 1/12. So X equals to 15,000 into 1/12 into 3/1, 3 on the 3, 3 4 the 12, 4 on the 4, 3 7 4. Okay, this is the amount he has to bring as his share of goodwill. Now we are going to pass the entry. date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries. Okay. First entry will be cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. Amount bought by B was 15,000. B, new partner, brings his share of goodwill. Okay. The second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit account debit. As you know, premium for goodwill is bought by D and he is debited here. Same way, C's capital account will be also debited here due to C is also gaining. Okay, so C's capital account debit to B's capital account. B is the only partner who is sacrificing. That's why I told you from the beginning that whenever you are doing the entry of premium for goodwill, you have to distribute premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio only. Okay, don't take the old ratio. So it will be 15,000, 3,750, that means 18,750. Okay. The PSG and C share adjusted. We have adjusted. Okay, this is the end of the question number 23. Now we move to question number 24. Question number 24. M and J are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted R as the new partner. The new profit sharing ratio between M, J and R will be 5:3:2. R bought in 25,000 for his share of premium for goodwill. Pass necessary journal entries for the treatment of goodwill. So here first we have to find out the sacrificing ratio. Otherwise we are not able to do the entries. So first I am going to find out the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so let us start. M, J, they are sharing the ratio in 3/5, 2/5. The new ratio given is 5:3:2, that is 10. So 5/10, 3/10. Here it is going to be 10. 6 minus 5, 1/10. It is going to be 10. 2 to the 4 minus 3, 1/10. So sacrificing ratio is equal. 1:1. Now we are going to pass directly. Journal entries. Date, particular, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. First entry, cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. The amount is 25,000. B, R brings his share of goodwill. Okay. Then second entry will be premium for goodwill account debit. Now they are both having equal ratio. So M is capital account, J is capital account. This will be 25,000 equally, so 12,500. 12,500 being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay, this is the end of question number 24. Now we move to question number 25. A and B are in partnership, sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3. C is admitted as a partner who pays 40,000 as capital and the necessary amount of goodwill, which is valued at 60,000 for the firm. His share of profit will be 1/5, which he takes 1/10 from A and 1/10 from B. Gives generative and also calculate future profit sharing ratio of the partners. So let us start. Question number 25. Now here first we have to find out the new PSR. So AB are partners in 5:3. Sorry, 5:3. They have admitted C for 1/5 share, which he takes 1/10 from A and 1/10 from B. So if you see this total, if you total this 1/10 plus 1/10 will be 2/10, that means 1/5. Okay, so we got the ratio here. Now we are going to find out the new PSR. This is just checking. Okay, A, B, C. Now 5/8 minus 1/10, 3/8 minus 1/10. So it is going to be 40. 5 5 are 25 minus 4, 21/40. It is going to be 40. 15 minus 4, 11/40, and we are going to have 1/5 to make it 40. I need 8, so 8/40. So new PSR is 21:11:8. As there is no need to calculate the sacrificing ratio because it is given equal, but still I am going to find out for you the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, A, B, old ratio was 5/8, 3/8, and the new ratio was 21/40 and 11/40. This is 40. 25 minus 21 will be 4/40. This is 40. 15 minus 11 equals to 4/40. So sacrificing ratio is 4:4, that is equal. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry. Before passing entry, we have to find out the amount of PFG. Firm's goodwill is given to us that is 60,000. Okay, and C share was 60,000 into 1 by 5, that will be 12,000. 12 5 is 60. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry. He is also bringing his share of capital. So we are going to pass a combined entry, compound entry for that. The entries: date, particular, ledger for you, debit rupees, credit rupees. First, cash account debit to C's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Okay, the amount is 12,000 premium for goodwill. The capital amount is 40,000. So it is going to be 52,000. Being C brings his share of capital and goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to distribute our PFG in equal ratio. Okay. So premium for goodwill account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. $12,000, $6,000, $6,000. Okay, being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. This is the end of question number 25. Now we move to question number 26. Question number 26. A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:5. They admitted C, their manager, into partnership, who is to get 1/6 share of in the business. C brings in 10,000 for his capital and 3,600 for 1/6 share of goodwill, which he acquires 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. Profit for first year of the new partnership was 24,000. Pass the necessary general entry for C's admission and appropriate profit between the partners. Before that, we are going to find out the new PSR. Okay, so let us start. Question number 26. A, B are sharing profits in 7:5. They enter their manager C for 1/6 share, which he acquires from A and B. He acquires 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. Now I am going to make you understand why I am going to check always, or why I am showing you always. Now you see, it is going to be 24. So 1 plus 3 equals to 4/24. That means 1/6. So we are going to directly deduct this 1/24 and 1/8. Okay, to get our new PSR. And why we are going to have the new PSR? Because we are going to distribute the profit in new PSR, because it is after admission of C. Okay, and one more thing, we have to find out the sacrifice. Now you see the sacrifice is 1:3. Okay, so let us start new PSR. New PSR will be A, B, C, that is 7/12, 5/12 and 1/6. We are going to deduct 1/24, 1/8, so it is going to be 24. 7 to the 14 minus 1 equals 13/24. It is also going to be 24. 10 minus 3, it is going to be 7/24. And to make it 24, I am going to multiply with 4. So 4/24. So our new PSR is 13:7:4. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. As there is no need to calculate again and again, but to make you understand why I have done that, you will come to know from here. Old ratio is 7/12, 5/12. The new ratio is 13/24, 7/24. So it is going to be 24. 7 to the 14 minus 13 is 1/24. Here also 24. 5 to the 10 minus 7 equals 3/24. If you see the sacrificing ratio, it is 1:3. I have already told you 1:3. Now we are going to pass the entry for the same. Let us pass the entries. Now we are going to pass the entry of PFG and share of profit. Date, particulars, laser for you, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal fees. First, now C brings capital as well as PFG. We are going to share that. So cash account debit. 2. C's capital account. 2. Premium for goodwill account. Okay. The amount of capital was 10,000 and the amount is 3,600 for his share of goodwill. That will be 13,600. B. C brings his share of capital and goodwill. Okay. Now we are going to distribute this premium for goodwill in sacrificing ratio, that was 1:3. So premium for goodwill account debit, to A's capital account, to B's capital account. It is 3,600. Okay, 1:3, that means 4, 4 9s are 36. Okay, so 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay. Entry number 3. Now the future profit the profit is 24,000. Okay. After C's admission, therefore we are going to distribute that 24,000. So the entry will be profit and loss, appropriation account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account and to C's capital account. This is 24. We are going to distribute a 13:7:4. Okay, this is our new ratio, 13:7:4, being profit allocated. Okay, here you should keep in mind that this profit is after C's admission, and that's why he is going to get his share also, because he is working in that firm from the beginning of that year. Okay, so he will get the share in this profit. But if the profit is before C's admission, then C is not going to get any share in that. Okay, the only A and B will share the profit in such a case. You should remember this point very clearly. Now we move to question number 27. Question number 27. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. Z is admitted as a partner for which he pays 30,000 for goodwill in cash. X, Y and Z decided to share the future profits in equal proportion. You are required to pass a single journal entry to give effect to the above arrangement. Okay, so directly it is a single journal entry. That means we are not going to have the term premium for goodwill. Directly cash account debit to partners capital. Okay, so let us start. First we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio in this question. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, so X, Y 3/4, 1/4. Now future profit between X, Y and Z is equal. So 1/3, 1/3, it will be 12. 3 3s are 9 minus 4 equals to 5/12. It is going to be 12. 3 minus 4 equals to minus 1/12. This is gain. Okay, and Z is a new partner. This is a new partner. New partner always gains. Okay, that is his share is 1/3, that is 4/4, 4/12. It is also gain. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Now we are going to find out the amount of Y. Okay, so amount of Y will be, now what we are going to do is 30,000 Z is bringing for his share 1/3. Okay, so we are going to divide. So we are going to reverse it. Whenever you divide the thing, you reverse the thing. So it will be 3/1. We make reciprocal. Okay, and this will be the firm's goodwill. Now we are going to find out the share of Y. That should be 1/12. 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12, 4 1 are 4. This is going to be 7,500. Okay, now we are going to pass the entry for the same single journal entry it is stated. That's why we are going to pass the single journal entry. particular LF debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay. First, cash account debit. Cash is bought by Z, the new partner, and Y is the new. So Y is capital account debit to X capital account. The amount is 30,000, 7,500, 37,500 means goodwill amount contributed. This is the end of the question. Now we move to next question. Question number 28. Anshu and Parul are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. They admitted Payal as partner for 1/4 share in the profit on 1st April 2019. Payal brings 5 lakh as capital and her share of goodwill by check. It was agreed to value the goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years. The profits are given. Additional information is also given. Closing stock for the year ended 31st March 2018 was overvalued by 50,000. Second, rupees 1 lakh should be charged annually to cover managerial cost. Pass necessary journal entries on Payal's admission. Now, first we are going to find out the normal profit to calculate goodwill. Then we are going to calculate goodwill, and further we are going to pass the entries. Okay. So question number 28. One, two, three, four. Calculation of normal profit, that is actual profit, particular. You can say net profit, that will be better. Net profit. Year 2015-16, 2016-17, 2017-18, and 2018-19. Okay, the profits are given. Profits 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, 7 lakh. 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 6 lakh, and 7 lakh. Now, as we say, closing stock of the year 31st March 2018 is overvalued by 50,000. Whenever closing stock overvalues, that means our profit increases, and therefore we are going to deduct the closing stock overvalue. Okay, we are going to deduct. The amount is 50,000. In the next year, it becomes opening stock, and when opening stock is overvalued, our profit decreases. To make it equal, we again going to add 50,000. So the profits are here with us 4 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh 50,000, and 7 lakh 50,000. Let us calculate average profit. Average profit equals to 4 lakh plus 5 lakh plus 5 lakh 50 plus 7 lakh 50 upon 4. So it is 12, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 22. 22 lakh upon 4, 5 lakh 50,000 is the average profit. Now we are going to find out the actual average profit by deducting managerial cost. So 5 lakh 50,000 minus the managerial cost was 1 lakh. So it becomes 4 lakh 50,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the firm's goodwill, that is on the basis of 3 years purchase. Firm's goodwill equals to actual average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, that is 4,50,000 into 3, 13,50,000. Now, from here we are going to calculate the Pile's share of goodwill. Okay, so Pile's share of goodwill will be 13,50,000 into her share. The share given is 1/4. The share given is 1/4. So 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 4 7 are 28. 5 is 20. 3,37,500 is her share of goodwill. Now we are going to pass the entry for the same. So let us start. Let us prepare the format of journal entry. Date, particular, place of folio, debit entries, credit, journal entries. First, bank account debit because she is getting check to Pile's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Okay, the capital she is bringing is 5 lakh. And the premium is 3,37,500. 3,37,500. So it is going to be 8,37,500. Okay. Now B, Pile brings her share of capital and goodwill. Okay. The second entry. Now, as you know, Pile is taking her share from the firm. In such a case, old ratio is our sacrificing ratio. Okay. So, premium for goodwill account debit to Anshul's capital account to Pile's capital account. Okay. Now the premium is 3,37,500 and the ratio is 3:2, that is 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 67,500. So it is going to be 135 and the remaining amount will be here 500, 2,02,500 and 1,35,000 being PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay. Here you should remember that odd ratio equals to sacrificing ratio. Please note down this one. This is very important in the case of when new partner is taking from the firm his share. Okay. So let us move to question number 29. A and B are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. That means C into partnership for 1/5 share. C brings 30,000 as capital and 10,000 as goodwill. At the time of admission of C, goodwill appear in the books, that is balance sheet of A and B at 3,000. Now, new profit sharing ratio of the partner will be 5:3:2. Pass necessary general entry. So, question number 29. Now we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio here first. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Now the partner is AB. Okay. The old ratio between AB is 3/5, 2/5, and the new ratio given between AB and C is 5:3:2. So it is going to be 5/10, 3/10. So 10, 3 to the 6 minus 5, 1/10. This is 10, 4 minus 3, 1/10. So sacrificing ratio is equal 1:1. Okay. Now let us pass the entries. Date, particulars, result for you, debit fees, credit fees, journal entries. Okay. First, we are going to write off the goodwill appear in the books. It will be distributed between the old partners in old ratio. So A is capital account debit, B is capital account debit, to goodwill account. This is goodwill of the books. Okay, 3,000. So it is going to be distributed in 3:2, 5, 5, 6 are 30. So 6 3 are 18, 6 2 are 12. 1800, 1200 being goodwill numbers. Okay. Now we are going to pass the entry for capital and PFG. So the entry is cash account debit to C's capital account to premium from goodwill account. He brings 30 and 10,000 for premium for goodwill, so it is 40,000. Then C brings his share of capital and goodwill. Now, this premium for goodwill we are going to distribute in sacrificing ratio, which is 1:1. So let us pass the entry. Entry number 3rd. Premium for goodwill account है 2 A is capital account 2 B is capital account. The premium for goodwill is 10,000. Therefore, it will be 5,000. 5,000. B PFG distributed in sacrificing ratio. Okay. Now, question number 30. Anu and Bhagwan were partners in the firm, sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. Goodwill appears in the books at 4,40,000. Raja was admitted in the partnership. New profit sharing ratio among Anu, Bhagwan and Raja was 2:2:1. Raja bought 1 lakh for his capital and necessary cash for his goodwill premium. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 2,50,000. Record necessary journal entry in the books of the firm for the above transaction. So let us start. Question number 30. First we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio Anu Bhagwan. The previous ratio was 3/4, 1/4 and the new ratio was 2/5, 2/5. It is going to be 20, 5 3s are 15, 4 2s are 8, 7/20. 20, 5 1s are 5, 4 2s are 8, minus 3/20, this is gain. Okay, and Raja is a new partner, so he always gains. His gain is 1/5. Okay, to make it 20, I am going to multiply with 4. So it is going to be 4/20. It is also gain. If you see 4 plus 3 equals to 7. Okay, now we are going to find out the amount of Bhagwan, that will be Raja is bringing necessary amount of goodwill for cash, that is 2,50,000. Okay, so this is from that we can easily find out 1/5. 3/20 share of Bhagwan So it is going to be with 500, 37,500. Okay, this is the share of Bhagwan has to bring, and the Raja is going to bring 150 into 1 by 5, that is 50,000. Okay, so Raja's share of goodwill is 50,000 and Bhagwan is going to bring 37,500. Now we are going to pass the entries. I am going to run this because I need to pass 3 entries. Okay. Now I am going to prepare the format of journal entry. Date, particular, laser folio, debit rupees, credit rupees, journal entries. Okay. First we are going to write off the goodwill appear in the books, that is 440,000. So unused capital account debit, Bhagwan's capital account debit to goodwill account. The goodwill is 4,40,000. Okay, which is going to be distributed in 3:1, that is 3,30,000 and 1,10,000. Okay, mean goodwill written off. Okay, second entry. Now the new partner, that is Raja, is bringing his capital and goodwill. Okay, so cash account debit to Raja's capital account to premium for goodwill. Okay, so this is very easy. He is bringing 1 lakh as his capital and 50,000 for his share of goodwill, that will be 1,50,000. He is going to bring the Raja brings his share of capital and goodwill. Now two partners are gaining, that is Raja and Bhagwan. So we are going to pass the entry. Premium for goodwill account debit, this is Raja's gain. Debit. Bhagwan's capital account debit. To unused capital amount. Okay, so goodwill is 50,000. Unused is going to be 37,500. So it is going to be 87,500. Okay, so let us close B, EFG and gain contributed. Okay, this is the end of question number 30. If you have any doubt, please comment. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe it